So this is a Kenmore short order 2.
She's like a superstar.
She doesn't fool around. She wants to look good while chopping carrots. Honey, what are we doing here?
Put it in upside down.
All right, so first of all, we've got to get it in the right way. So it's this end up. That's the chopping.
Shredded carrots.
And then you pull it like that. So you see the on and the off here.
You're going to take this out.
Then we've got to plate it. It's just that easy. Turns it off over here. Bam, done. Takes this off, cleans it, pulls the carrots out. Bob is your carrot. In this case, Bob's their dad, but it's not your uncle. Oh, we're gonna do one more. Look at that. Is that yummy or dummy? How old is this?
1988.
This is 1988, still works.
1989.
They used to make stuff that would last. This is one of the things that lasts. Pretty amazing. So she's just getting all the carrot. We don't want to waste any. She's saving it right here. That's it. We're making a salad. It's going to be good. And the on button stuff is right here. So you can see the on and off. And you can see the high and low. You can change that. So this is a Kenmore short order 2. Bam, done.